guys, what are you going to do after school today?
I am going to finish my English homework at home.
Then I will study for the math test.
Yes, I am going to study math tonight.
I am going to help my mother first before study.
I have your letter.
Sure, I'm going to send you the materials.
Tomorrow, I am going to school earlier.
Why are you going so early?
I am going to print the project in the library.
Okay, my laptop tomorrow.
Great! We are going to finish the project together.
I am going to bring some snack for you.
Thanks, Gani. I am going to bring my notes too.
I'm going to go to session.
After the presentation, I am going to relax at home.
I will probably play games for a while.
To do what? Basketball, math, on TV.
I am going to sleep early tomorrow night.
Okay guys, see you tomorrow!
See you!
Bye everyone!
See you at tomorrow at school.
Sekian video dialog asli expression dari kami. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.